Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover 8th question guys. In the previous video we covered 7th question, right, of section 2. Now write suitable pair of linear equations for the data 4 chairs, 3 tables, cost rupees 2100, whereas cost of 5 chairs, 2 tables of same kind is rupees 1750. We need to write a pair of linear equations for the given data. Okay, just you mention into symbolic form. That's it. Okay, students. So what is given here? 4 chairs, 3 tables, cost rupees 2100, right? And 5 chairs, 2 tables, cost is 1750. Now, what are the unknowns here in the given question? The question is talking about chairs and tables, right? So take it as chairs as x. Okay, okay, students, let chairs be x, tables be y, or you can take chairs be y, tables be x, is up to you. But we need to convert, we need to take one variables. Okay, now according to the question, 4 chairs, student, 4 chairs, 3 tables cost 2100, right? So chairs we assumed as x, right? So 4 into x, and 3 tables we considered as y, right? So 3y equal 2100. Okay, now 5 chairs, 2 tables cost is 1750 guys. So 5x, chairs is x, tables is y. 5x plus 2y equals 1750. That's it. No need of simplification. They ask you to convert it to pair of linear equations. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. In the next video, we are going to discuss next two sums of same section 2. Thank you for watching.